Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn about 10 important parts of the human body in English. I will explain each part in detail, tell you what is inside it, how it works, and some interesting facts that will make learning fun. Let's start. The head is the top part of the body, and it is very important. Inside the head, there is the brain, which controls everything: your thoughts, emotions, and movements. The skull surrounds the brain and protects it like a helmet. The head also has the face, which contains the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Fun fact: did you know that the human skull has 22 bones and they fit together so perfectly that they protect the brain but also allow movement for chewing and talking? Eyes. The eyes are amazing organs that let us see the world. Inside each eye, there is the cornea that focuses light, the lens that helps the eye see close or far objects, and the retina, which captures images and sends them to the brain through the optic nerve. Fun fact: the human eye can distinguish over 10 million colors. Eyes also have muscles that allow them to move quickly in different directions. Ears. The ears help us hear sounds and maintain balance. The ear has 3 parts: outer ear, collects sound waves; middle ear, contains the eardrum and tiny bones called ossicles; inner ear, contains the cochlea for hearing and semicircular canals for balance. Fun fact: our ears keep us balanced even when we close our eyes, thanks to the tiny fluid in the inner ear that moves when we change position. Nose. The nose is for smelling and breathing. Inside the nose, there are nasal cavities lined with tiny hairs and mucus that trap dust and germs. It also has olfactory receptors that detect different scents. Fun fact: humans can recognize over 1 trillion different smells. The nose also warms and filters air before it reaches the lungs. Mouth. The mouth is essential for eating, speaking, and breathing. Inside the mouth, teeth help chew food. Tongue helps taste and pronounce words. Lips help make sounds and expressions. Palate, roof of the mouth, separates the mouth from the nose. Salivary glands produce saliva to help digest food. Fun fact: the tongue has about 8,000 taste buds, and it can distinguish 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Neck. The neck connects the head to the body. Inside the neck, throat, pharynx, helps swallow food. Trachea carries air to the lungs. Esophagus carries food to the stomach. Blood vessels like the carotid arteries supply the brain with blood. Muscles allow the head to move in different directions. Fun fact: the neck has 7 vertebrae, which are the same number as in most mammals, including giraffes. Hands. Hands are used for grabbing, holding, and touching. Inside each hand, bones, metacarpals and phalanges. Muscles control movement. Tendons connect muscles to bones. Joints allow bending and flexibility. Fun fact: the hand has 27 bones and over 30 muscles, making it one of the most precise tools in the human body. You can do amazing things with your hands, like painting, writing, or playing instruments. Legs. Legs help us walk, run, and jump. Inside the legs, bones, femur, thigh, tibia, and fibula, lower leg. Muscles help with movement and strength. Joints, knees and ankles allow bending and rotation. Tendons and ligaments connect muscles to bones and support joints. Fun fact: the femur is the strongest bone in the human body. The legs support the whole weight of the body and help us move efficiently. Heart. The heart is a vital organ that pumps blood through the body. Inside the heart, 4 chambers, 2 atria, and 2 ventricles. Valves control the flow of blood. Blood vessels, aorta, arteries, veins. Fun fact: the heart beats around 100,000 times a day and pumps 5 to 6 liters of blood every minute. It never stops working, even when you sleep. Stomach. The stomach is part of the digestive system. Inside the stomach, muscular walls that mix food, gastric glands that produce acid and enzymes, mucus lining that protects the stomach from acid. Fun fact: The stomach can stretch to hold about 1 liter of food at a time. It breaks down food into a liquid called chyme before sending it to the intestines. These are 10 important parts of the human body with their components, functions, and fun facts. Learning them in English helps you describe your body, understand health, and communicate better. Remember to repeat these words every day and try to explore more facts about your body. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational English lessons.